Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself floating in outer space, looking down at our beautiful planet Earth. Like a superhero, you are able to fly anywhere you want to go. Try to picture what our planet looks like from outer space. Notice the bright blue of the oceans. Notice how green the forest and grasslands are. Notice the whites of the ice and snow. Notice the browns and grays of the rocks and dirt. Notice the yellows and tans of the deserts and beaches. What about the sparkling lights of a city? From where you are floating in outer space, is there somewhere you can spot a rainstorm brewing? Now we will fly to different destinations on the planet. Do your best to imagine what it would be like to fly like a superhero above the earth, looking down at the ground below. Fly toward a beautiful rainforest, green and lush, alive with the sounds of animals. Fly over the tops of the trees, so close that you could graze the top of each with your hands. What would the air feel like here? What would the air smell like? Fly now to a new spot on the planet. Fly toward rocky, snow-capped mountains, where the air is cold and the wind is playful. What would the air feel like here? How would it be different than the air in the rainforest? Let's change location again. Fly now toward a hot and sandy desert. As you fly above the dunes of sand, how would the air feel here? How would it feel different than the rainforest and the mountains? Take a moment now to find a place to fly peacefully through fluffy white clouds and enjoy a moment of relaxation flying through the skies of our beautiful planet. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.